Hi, Andre here. Another product has seen light today. Yes, the software has been released and I'm really excited about it because I think it's something that you may use in your online business and you can benefit from this. But before I show you the demo, I really want you to check out the link and the bonuses I've put together if you grab this product via my link. So once you've done that, let's move on. Check out the demo. It's something that you will really find interesting and useful in your business.
Hey, do you know 99% of the marketers never make a single dime online just because they have no idea what to sell, how to create engaging content, and how to generate traffic that converts into sales? It's all too complicated and stressful, especially when you're starting from zero. And if you're still struggling to make at least 4 figures online, then I've got some good news for you. There's an old age evergreen method that's proven, effective, and works like a charm. It's one of the most profitable methods that smart, lazy, and intelligent marketers are using to make thousands of dollars in commissions. One that easily makes them $3,000 to $10,000 per month on complete automation. Have a look at some of the results we're getting with it. So how exactly are we doing it? By leveraging the power of product reviews. Product reviews are the highest converting, most trustworthy, and cost-effective type of traffic to make quick and easy commissions. The reason why product reviews convert so high is because it builds trust. It's the social proof that people are looking for before they decide to buy a product. You see, people are searching for product reviews online before they make a purchase. And if you can position yourself in front of them with a review video, you can make a killing. But creating these videos manually is very time-consuming and expensive. Not to mention you need to be an expert at video editing, have excellent on-camera skills, and be very comfortable in front of the camera. Also, if you want to make serious income online, you need to create tons of videos, which is not just feasible for most people. But what if I told you there is a better way? A secret way to create tons of product reviews on automation using AI, without all the stress, without needing any skills or experience, without being an expert, without showing your face or using your voice, and drive hundreds of targeted visitors to them using our secret video ranking strategy on complete autopilot. And today, I'm going to show you how to tap into this incredible method so that you can start making a killing with product reviews, even if you're starting from scratch.
Now, you can create hundreds of professional, engaging review videos as you like without ever worrying about the complexity of video editing, audio editing, or spending a small fortune on professional videos. More review videos you create equals more traffic equals more sales equals more commissions. It really is that simple. You'll also get our exact step-by-step training and best strategy to rank these videos on page 1 of both YouTube and Google. Turn any URL into a review video or create from scratch. You can easily create review videos for any product on Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, or eBay in just a few clicks, or you can also create your own review videos from scratch if you prefer. Automatically add real genuine reviews, images, or upload your own. Our software will automatically add real genuine reviews and images to your review videos from Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, or eBay. Or if you prefer, you can also upload your own reviews and images. Legally use other people's videos in your reviews. You can also legally use other people's videos as part of your review video. This is a great way to add even more value and engage your viewers even more. Gain more trust and authority by using other people's videos in your review. Create review videos for any product, in any niche, any language. There is no limit to what you can do with this powerful software.
Introducing VidReviewz. VidReviewz is the world's first AI software that creates highly engaging, commission-generating automated product reviews in just 3 clicks. And guess what? With our Express Ranking Cheat Sheet, you can now start ranking your review videos in no time and start generating buyer traffic instantly. Have a look at some of the results we are getting. And have a look at all the commissions we're making every single day. With VidReviewz, you can create review videos that suck in traffic, sales, and commissions like crazy in just 3 simple steps and 60 seconds. Step 1. Enter a URL of any product from Amazon, AliExpress, or eBay, or manually upload your details. 2. Click Create Video and let our AI turn it into a highly engaging review video with real reviews, images, music, and real human voiceover. Step 3. Upload our Express Ranking method. Sit back and watch as the traffic, sales, and commissions start flooding in. It really is as simple as that. This powerful software gives you an unfair advantage over all your competitors by allowing you to quickly and easily create review videos in less than 60 seconds. You can create hundreds of professional engaging review videos as you like without ever worrying about the complexity of video editing, audio editing, or spending a small fortune on professional videos. More review videos you create, more traffic, more sales equals more commissions. It's really that simple. Why VidReviewz? Here are the major benefits you will get from VidReviewz. 1. Leverage the highest converting, most trustworthy, and cost-effective type of traffic to make quick and easy commissions. 2. Get 100% free traffic and sales from YouTube and Google without spending a dime on ads. 3. Create hundreds of hot and genuine reviews for products from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, JVZoo, W+, and more with just 3 clicks. 4. You don't need to be on camera, no voice, no complex video editing skills needed. 5. You'll also get our Express Ranking cheat sheet that will show you how to rank your review videos on the first page of YouTube in hours and sometimes in minutes. 6. It's a proven and tested method that's generating tens of thousands of views and commissions to even newbies, people with no skills and no talent. 7. Save tons of time, effort, and headache by automating everything. 8. It has unlimited potential. It works in any niche, any offer, any language. Scale as big as you want. 9. Product review method is easier, faster, and profitable than other online methods you've tried so far, such as Facebook ads, SEO, blogging, e-com, and others. 10. We are constantly adding new features to this software, so you'll always get the latest and best version that comes out. So, what's the price? Imagine spending hours and hours in front of your computer struggling to create just one video review, or hiring an expensive video creator and spending hundreds of dollars just to have one video created for you, or spending $1 to $5 per click with Facebook or Google ads just to get a few visitors to your website or landing page. Now imagine being able to create as many videos as you want without ever having to spend a dime on video creation or ads. And each video can drive thousands of people to your offers and make you sales from all over the world. Today you can get access to VidReviewz for a low one-time price. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time one-time offer. After the launch, we'll be increasing the price to match other video platforms, i.e., we will turn into a monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. In this way, we'll be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying VidReviewz, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked, and you'll still keep our product and enjoy all the benefits. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you'll regret it later. VidReviewz is the best, fastest, and easiest way to generate high-quality buyer traffic with minimum effort and no risk. If you don't take action, you know things will stay the same. You'll still waste time and money on products that don't work. You'll be stuck hoping for a solution, hoping to finally make some money online. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the VidReviewz at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.
You can also create review videos for digital products, services, software, pretty much anything you can think of. You're only limited by your imagination. Trending product finder. Not sure what product to review? No problem. Our software includes a trending product finder which will show you the hottest selling products on Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress or eBay, so you can always be sure to profit from the latest trends. Customize your branding with intro, outro logo. Get complete control over your brand by including a custom intro and outro video, or even include your own logo. Add real human voiceovers. Forget about spending money on expensive voiceovers. You can just add your own voiceover or choose from our library of human-like AI voices. You don't need to be a video expert or show your face, voice. Creating review videos is easy and doesn't require any video editing skills or experience. You also don't need to show your face or use your voice if you don't want to. Get results in as little as hours from now. With VidReviewz you can create a review video in a few clicks and start getting results using our video ranking strategy in as little as hours from now. Limited time fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 commercial license, during launch period only, value $297. Fast action bonus number 2 live web class how to grow your YouTube channel, value $297. Fast action bonus number 3 traffic on demand cheat sheet, value $197. Fast action bonus number 4 launch jacking 2022. Learn the brand new launch jacking method that you can implement today and see results in as fast as 24 hours, value $197. Fast action bonus number 5 the unshakable super affiliate. As you start getting traffic with VidShirts, use our secret affiliate strategies to quickly achieve your first $100, $500 and $1,000, value $297. Fast action bonus number 6 become a successful social media influencer. Learn how to become a successful influencer and charge huge amounts of money per post, value $197. Fast action bonus number 7 TikTok marketing checklist. Increase your following on both YouTube and TikTok. Post your review videos on TikTok as well, value $97. Fast action bonus number 8 free Instagram traffic. Learn how to use videos to grow your audience on Instagram, value $97. Fast action bonus number 9 easy video strategies. Leverage the power of video marketing to become an online sensation, value $97. Fast action bonus number 10 100x YouTube advertising, value $197. Get access to VidReviewz for a low one-time price of just $17. Click the button below and we guarantee that you won't regret this decision, ever.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed the demo and have seen the benefits of grabbing this product for your own business. Surely you don't want to miss out on these amazing bonuses, and all you need to do basically is to go click on the link down in the description below to grab these bonuses. And I would also like you to share this and subscribe to my videos and my channel. That way you won't miss out on any future notifications and the amazing bonuses that will come down your way. Thank you.